Hey all, Chris here from MoneyCoach. Today we're gonna learn how we can navigate through MoneyCoach using only the keyboard. On iPadOS 15, you can use the arrow keys to move up and down the first column of the sidebar. Pressing the Tab key will move the focus onto the second column, and here, once again, you can move up and down with the arrow keys. Once again, the Tab key allows us to move to the next column, and here, again, we can move up and down using the arrow keys. The new iPad shelf shows us all of the available shortcuts that allows us to quickly perform actions Pressing the Enter key will open the focused object. Here, via the Tab key, we can quickly perform a search and get results for our transactions. With the help of the keyboard shortcut, we can quickly open the new transaction model. And here, the shelf shows us all of the available shortcuts and the actions that they can perform. You can navigate almost everywhere in the app just by using the keyboard. So, if you're one of the users who prefer to use their iPad always connected with the keyboard, MoneyCoach will feel great for you. We hope you're as excited as we are for this new great improvement coming to MoneyCoach on iPadOS 15. And as always, thanks for watching, leave your comments down below and subscribe for more.